Hello and welcome to this lesson for Grade 9 Design and Technology. Today we are going to continue the topic of pictorial projection and are going to learn about oblique projection. In this lesson we will be able to draw a cube in oblique projection and a cuboid in oblique projection. Given you have to draw a cube of side 50 mm on plain paper, do refer back to lesson 2 to verify how to place your paper on your drawing board. We are then going to start the construction of our cube from the nearest lowest visible corner X as indicated. We use the T-square to draw a starting horizontal line, followed by the Z-square to draw a vertical line at the center of the page. We will get our nearest lowest corner at the intersection of the two lines. We then set our compasses to the length of side, which is 50 mm, and mark it off on our horizontal and vertical lines. We draw a vertical and horizontal construction line for the front face. We then use our 45-degree set square for the depth lines as such. We then use our compasses on the same radius of 50 mm and mark the depth. We use our set square to project the depth vertically to get an intersection like this. We project this intersection to the next depth line with the T-square. This is the crate of the oblique cube in construction lines. We will then line in the outlines like this. Note that the constructions are not erased. We are now going to look at an oblique cuboid that we have to draw to the given dimensions. We again identify the nearest lowest corner X and locate it on our drawing paper. We then set our compasses to the length of sides and mark them off. 90 mm for the width and 60 mm for the height. We draw a vertical and horizontal construction line for the front face. We then use our 45-degree set square for the depth lines. And then set our compasses to the depth of 40 mm and mark it off. In the same way as the previous exercise, we use our set square to project the depth vertically to get an intersection. We project this intersection to the next depth line with the T-square as such. This is the crate of the oblique cuboid in construction lines. The outlines are drawn in as such. And remember that the construction lines are not erased. So this is our completed oblique cuboid. In this lesson, we have been able to learn how to draw an oblique cube and a cuboid in oblique projection. These are the references for images used. This brings us to the end of this presentation. Do remember that all our videos are available on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program. Thank you for having watched this program, and do watch the next lesson on pictorial projection for grade 9. Goodbye.